Hey everyone, are you facing a cloud activation lock links or lock to owner on any iPhone device? How do you fix it at your home without doing a jailbreak with the help of PC or laptops? We will see live step by step with real demonstrations. So right now, as we see, this is a lock to owners. We are unable to operate this device. This device they came to my shop at the morning times today, and right now, for instance, especially I am fixing this. So, what's the easiest way to fix it permanently so that, of course, we can deliver to other customer easily? Yes, and immediately. How do I and what have I to do? Firstly, let's find out what's the reason behind of that. This can be yes, this situation can be especially rendered because of when you have to purchase a second-hand device, or maybe you have entered multiple times the screen wrong passcode. Due to that advanced security of iPhones, especially, it has a stack on this after erasing all the data. Or sometimes, yes, maybe stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted, or you have gotten anywhere. So, what's the best panacea or remedy to get rid of apps? We will see. So, we will have to go for an administration. Firstly, that is iTunes. iTunes, as we know that, we are concerned that it has been developed by itself, Apple. So it will give you configuration, DNS configuration in a cloud data and Apple database. That what's the actual reason behind of that. So if you are having these kind of the challenge that the cloud activation lock links, lock to owner, or asking there that activation lock that prevents anyone who is not the owner from using this device. And we can see here, this is essentially that this device is linked to an Apple ID, enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. We do know, yes, we don't know the what's the actual ID and the password behind of it. So what's the easiest way? Simply we will cut it from here. Maybe this device in the store and lost to blacklisted. So don't worry. If any customer who scam you and is given a permissions to other fix that, then of course easily if you are a shopkeeper, then you must learn step by step. Don't skip ahead, guys. Every step is going to be very crucial. So firstly we will go for use a blob server. This is the easiest way to download, yes, from itself a website, and spontaneously, of course, by free, of course, it's not chargeable. So now that we have written this all the data, now we will go for reaccumulate all the especially data, whatever the data is retaining from the cloud data and the Apple database. So include the betas, and we will hit this one, the read from this device. So now this device can be rebooted multiple times, so we will have to wait and come. That's all. Yes, when you troubleshoot of this situation or this issue, then we will have to be a calm, and within a 20 minutes, of course, we can fix it. Step by step, we will have to. Don't be in a hurry, quickly, because of, yes, on exact time, what's the step that we will have to proceed, that we will have to learn that. If you mistakes, and then of course, maybe especially, you will get not a good result. So now that we can see here, I assure you that you will be able to terminate or wipe out the permanently, especially this cloud activation lock links from the any iPhones. So right now, see, it's essential. Please unlocks and the reading, and once again, it's going no. So maybe until unless it's not going to complete read and they reaccumulated all the data, and after especially all the especially data, if it's accumulated on this in the particular, then we will go the inside of to delete, wipe out, terminate permanently, or erase permanently, and after erasing, then we will go for the inside directly. So now APNMs go in successfully, guys. So what do you say, guys? Now the further next step. First, iTunes, let's configure of the DNS configuration. Second is that blob saber, and the third is that we will have to open that is a 3U tool. So let it be especially now it has successfully completed, guys. So just hit this one, we will close this ones, and now it's the time to the open especially that is 3U tool, guys. Yes, now we will go the inside of it. So let's see, we'll select the language, we will go for region and zones, and of course now successfully got in here connected. We will come to toolbox to hit this, and of course we'll come on the crash analysis, and we'll go the inside. Here is a sanction load of the data that we will have to delete. So delete has been highlighted, of course we will clear, then of course we will go for here, we will Now see, maybe still it is linked. Sometimes some of the device will be automatically opens by especially deleting from that. But right now there is no data now. Now here we have the clear. Second things in that we will have to come the real-time logs. We will have to clear 8 lists if we slam there 20 times, so guys. So all the Safari history or the maybe especially previous ones, old one that will be deleted and the new one will be added. So yes, now we will clear. Now the make it pass, guys, no problem at all. And the clear, so almost it has done. Now recent one will be added, so no problem at all. So just we will close this now. Now it's the time to open, especially that is a third tools. Both by using crash analysis and the real-time log should we have cleared all the retaining data from the Apple database. Now it's the time to also especially terminate or erase the permanently all the data that is from the cloud database. So let's say refresh so that the fresh data will be attracted then. Let me remind me later. Just we will tap on this and here is option you will have that is show device console. Now we will go for the clear all the space at least 20 times, so we will have to so clear. So see here, if keep clearing till it's not notifying that it is still linked, guys. Yes, it has detected. So now we will once again refresh so that fresh data would be attracted to especially and the clear of it. So now see this data is accumulating gradually. So we will clear, 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 keep clearing it. Keep clearing. Yes, we will. Yeah. Keep clearing, keep clearing, keep clearing, keep clearing, guys. Keep clearing, keep clearing, keep clearing. Now see, almost especially of course now it's going to be a keep clearing. So almost we have yes till it's not so they become at least 20 times we will have to clear. Now here is a one REC mode. Of course you can hit these ones after clearing more than 20 times. So now it's going to become a whiter screen of this files. Now we will close this imaging PC, no problem at all. So tap here to the close. So it's a closing now. Now here we will have to tap on a smart flash. We will come on a especially firmware option. In the firmware option, so that we can see one is a that is a 8.9e last one beta version. Directly we can download from here. Otherwise, of course, we can import it. So we will prefer to import because total size is approximately, of course, 9.7 GB, almost 10 GB, guys. So click on Easy Flash. Easy Flash to here that we can see we have two options so that we can complete this. Especially that is the last one, C55 and yes 089e. So we will prefer to a 089e. So before that we will select the quick flash mode and we will import. Yes, so we have kept this one after downloading on desktop. So just we will come on a desktop to E913, especially this is a that is a similar versions. Fine, so you can match both ones and we'll hit this one without making delay. Here we will have to follow the instruction that don't select the fixed battery health because manually you will have to reboot, and these ones backup don't do, no problem at all. So now here these ones, now it has reached from yes recovery mode now, especially from DFU. Now we will wait here till it's not notifying any error, guys. Don't do extra anything now. We'll have to wait and watch carefully, guys. Yes, and it's request that don't skip ahead, guys, because maybe suddenly more than 200 error can be rendered on particular iPhones or any iPhone. So if suddenly any error comes, then immediately we will try to fix it. Just we will take your valuable time of the 20 minutes, that's all. And within 20 minutes would be a veteran to fix any issues related to iPhones. That yes, if it is locked with the password manager, time screen passcode, iDevice mobile management locks, or maybe especially linked with particular Apple ID and asking into the Apple ID and password that's what used. Now almost more than 50% is we have completed. Why so? Because look at on the physical of this ones, guys here. More than 50% we have completed. So give me a 10-minute more, especially what's till the end of. And one thing more that is a request that Don't worry, your device may be restarted multiple times, so please don't unplug, don't disconnect the device, guys. Yes, because while flashing, this can be a probability, guys, and it's totally dependent on the yes cloud data and Apple database. Right now, we can see one thing that data cable that should be a good quality, where you will have to execute this procedure. There shouldn't be any movement, and yes, internet connections should be always additional one. So if there is any disturbance or yes, in a cloud data and Apple database DNS configurations, then of course we will immediately change the internet connection, and yes, it will be a continue working and the processing of all the especially procedure. Otherwise, yes, if there is any disturbance and disconnection of the internet connection for 1 minute or for a while, then this will give you error 100%, you guys. Multiple devices especially have locks in the bio. This strategy. So yes, I'm sharing, of course, I'm telling some of my experience here that, and confirm it that what's the reason by using especially iTunes give you accuracy. Yes, now what's the reason, what's the detrimental behind of that, and second, fix all the Apple data and the cloud database server by a blob saver and reaccumulate all the data on a especially device, and then clear by using a 3U tools by a crash analysis and real-time logs and very clear procedure, guys. And then go for clearing off or wiping out or erasing the permanently all the data that's retaining the cloud database by using Imagine PC. These all tools are absolutely free. If you want, then of course I will give you in the description box. There is a link. You can, or it's better that go on its official website to download updated versions. So more efficiency, of course, will be especially while using these tools. You can be a beneficiary of that. And now here, still we are on a 52 percentage. Don't worry, we have reached more than 90%. How so? Just you can imagine. Look at on that. What's the actual process and the percentage has been accelerated or proceeded. So there is still as with the requesting EAN data. Don't look there, but here, this can be seen here. Yes, on a screen, this can be seen sometimes descending order, sometimes ascending order, sometimes in a jumping order, no problem at all. So just look at on that. It will restart, and 2-3 crucial step while restarting that we will have to execute on, especially by using 3U tool. And then once again we will open a special item, we will give the DNS configurations, and we will see that still it is linked to a particular ID or not, step by step, guys. So it's scarcely how much time so that we can expect from here, 5 to 7 minutes. That's all. Within 20 minutes our device will be fixed, and 3 4 5 today more device we will have to fix it, guys. So yes, I am in a hurry, but right now what we can, so because this is especially the procedure of technical, so technical yes, technical issues takes especially its own time to fix off that. So what we can have, we'll have to wait. Data cable is connected in front of you. The watch clocking is especially is auditing to you that each second that, and we don't have much more times. There is not much time left to especially edit off this tutorial, guys. Directly this content would be especially uploaded on these channels as an education purpose, of course. Is who is having this kind of the challenges that they can fix it, and not only related to others, of course. Gmail supports is spontaneously, of course, related to a computer, PC, laptops, yes, smartphones, all the technical information, technology informations can be especially, of course, uploaded on it so that you can easily gain from this channel. So don't forget to join. Of course, you must join because I'll be back step by step with new tutorial. Now we can see here these IPSW can be downloaded from various websites. One is ipsw.me.com, ipsw.beta.com, ipsw.com, or www.3u.com. So there is also available all the film there, and of course directly by using 3u tool you can download it also. This procedure can be also executed by using iTunes, but iTunes will take much more time because within a 20 minutes we have been of course fixing by using 3u tool, but iTunes will takes more than 30 minutes on each device, guys. That's why. So now that we can see here, it has restarted, and we can see here it's showing the congratulations that has been completed. So it's notified here. Right sense means successfully it has completed. So we will tap on our toolbox. We will wait for this batch activation. Why we will execute within 20 seconds immediately when it would be highlighted. Yes, because this will skip the setting, region, Wi-Fi, Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID, of course, cloud, everything, so guys. And when we skip it, we can go the inside of it, and then we will generate manually new Apple ID with password. Then this device can use animal structure. So now it has been highlighted. Yes, we will select the all and we will go for a start it. So when we will start it, then we can see here. Now we are waiting here. Just let's watch that what's going to be a special error here. If it is not, then that's okay. If any error comes, then immediately we will change the internet connection and we will execute once again when this start button would be highlighted. However, in the rarest of the rare case, if yes, error comes, then immediately we will use the virtual private networks to customize the especially precise location of especially PC or laptop. And then once again, what should be a precise location, guys? Sales area of any iPhone. Suppose the sales area, especially or particular this phone, belongs to Hong Kong, so we will have to use, of course, suppose this phone belongs to, sales area belongs to especially UK, then of course we will have to use the precise location, that is Hong Kong. So we are waiting for, it's still taking times. It can be estimated times 2 to 5 minutes, no problem at all. So we will have to wait, and now it has done successfully, guys. What do you say here? Simply we will do OK, and we will come in a toolbox. Toolbox, so of course we will come in a deactivation process. So if we hit this once, now it's saying so that you will have to wait especially 10 seconds. We are waiting, and it will release from, of course, Apple ID bound from this device. It will give you confirmation, guys. So deactivation has been highlighted, succeeded. So now, do you think so that this device is linked to a particular ID? In my opinion, no. So let's check it out by especially iTunes. iTunes will give you good configuration. Either it is coming from the cloud data and the Apple database. So let's see, is there any retaining data so that it is bound to other particular ID or not? So we will see here. It has started to access the data, and we are waiting for here just to see here what's going to happen. So maybe it will access the 2 to 3 times, and it's welcome to you guys. What do you say here? What are you waiting? Yes, server from especially either it is a Apple ID or cloud data, Apple data, all the things has been clear. There is no retaining anything. So no chances to other links. So what are you waiting? Watch carefully step by step, guys, and execute a similar strategy easily. No need to visit anyone, especially to anyone or at any shops to fix this kind of issues, guys. Immediately at your home within 20 minutes, of course, you can fix it. Almost, I hope that within 20 minutes we have fixes. Let's restart and we will check it out that yes, what's saying particular device. So it's maybe it will come on a hello screen, and if come hello screen, then we will, yes, we will go for here, and after going for, yes, don't disconnect iTunes, guys. Let it be in a especially clear configuration. We will select this region, and of course we will have option that is a partial setup or especially erase a star, maybe especially these things. So just practically I would like to show you here, see magically how easily this device can be. Of course we will go for here two option, start, erase again, erase and start again, continue with the partial setup. So we will have to select continue with the partial setup on system bomb. Now what do you say? So this is here. If we click on here, it will ask you that firstly connect to the internet. If suppose we have to purchase a new phone and we are planning to initiate to open initial setup and to go in the inside of this device, we cannot without having the internet connection. But without having internet connection, we have rest inside of it. Now we will insert the SIM card. Check it out here. Everything is security. Everything is especially disabled. So insert the SIM card. Check it out. The SIM card is functioning or not. If the SIM card is not functioning, then of course if you have use a particular precise location, customize the precise location or anything, and then here just we will click to the restore. So maybe this device will be rebooted and it will restore the true location with local area networks. So guys, this is all about. Now this is a completely fixed. It will go on a completely on a screen and there is no any lock, so that we can as a new answer that you can enjoy of it. Now sometimes with the help of jailbreaks we do then after jailbreaking especially things, if it's erased then it is stacked once again here, but this is permanent method. Now that we can see here there is no data, there is no id anything, so now completely we can. So this is all about guys. Further any inquiry of course I had a query below the comment box. A pleasure would be mine to the reply, and thank you for staying the till end of this tutorial. Hi, this is a Technology Welfare and we'll be back to step by step with new tutorials. So don't forget to join, like, subscribe this channel, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.